She's like, me. Okay. Next one. Also, quite of a tricky one. On the paper, when you have to fold it with the light colors to find a print, a fingerprint. What did the fingerprint say? Forgery! Yes, if you get it right, say, oh yes, look at all those right answers. Now we're gonna move on with which for me is my least favorite because I hate numbers. So this is pretty much a Sudoku. If you're super good at math, you can use the little numbers on the corners to finish the entire thing. If not, you can just try to complete it, put it from 1 to 6 without repeating the same number, and then just using the blue boxes, you add them together, and what number you got? 24! Who get it right? Who get it wrong? Yay! Then we're gonna move on to the other one that is not that much fun as well, is the list. The inventory list with the numbers on the middle. What is the right number for that? It was 621779. You put all the list numbers on the inventory, and the ones on the blue boxes will give you the final answer. Who get it right? Yes, great job, guys. Now we're gonna move on to, this is the other part of that one. So you have to put all the inventory numbers here, and the blue boxes will give you the right answer. Now we're gonna move on to the footprints. Easy peasy, right? I didn't get a lot of footprint answers. So for the footprint answers, do you know how many we had over there? Did you count them? How many? It was 26 footprints. What else have 26? The alphabet. So each footprint was a letter, and when you check this pattern you have right here, it says imposter. Yes, who get it right? Who get it wrong? Okay. Next, moving on. When you have to bring the phone, on the phone answer, you need to find out who was lying. And do you find the right answer on the phone? Who was lying? Trevor Randall. Why? Because of his testimony, number 6, he said in the Olympics he was training as a gymnast. Stephen Lang was a gymnast, but he wasn't. So he was lying because Stephen Lang is a runner. So that's how you know the right answer was Stephen Randall. Who get it right? Look at the excitement. Everybody look exhausted mentally. You're all looking at me like, oh. Okay. For the next one, you needed to follow these patterns. You have this map right here, and there were some clues right there on the side and some inside of your envelope. When you follow them, nobody give me this one right. When you follow the pattern, it makes a word. It will describe like we went from here to here to here to here to here. That will give you the different letters. The first one was S. Somebody who have a name, Stella. So the first one was an S. And then it was, nobody knows? An E, a C, R, E, T. It was secret. So when you follow the patterns on the map, you get the final word secret. Easy peasy, right? And then when you follow the connection of all of the characters, you have this inside. And if you follow how they know each other, it draws a bunny. The final shape on this paper is a bunny. And there's two people who belong to the Bunny White Rabbit Society. Do you know who they are? No? So the final answer. The two going to jail. Drum rolls in the house, please. Yes? Is Christian Song and Carly. Kristen Song and Carly. So I have one person saying Carly, Carly, Carly. I have Estela. I have Maribel.